Listen carefully, this is where everything shifts. Right now, you're watching simple stock footage, basic, ordinary, replaceable. But in just a few minutes, power, control, creation, all become yours. Imagine this, one idea, one prompt, and suddenly, cinematic, immersive, unstoppable. AI writes, AI designs, AI animates, AI lip syncs, while you command the vision. No limits, no waiting, no complexity, just speed, precision, domination. You don't chase creativity anymore, you own it. You don't follow trends, you set them. This is not the future, this is now. And those who move first, win first. So don't blink, don't skip, don't miss this. Because once you see this, there's no going back. Now, I'll quickly search for Freebeat AI, the tool that instantly, automatically transforms your song into a complete cinematic music video. As you can see, we've landed on the Freebeat AI interface, clean, powerful, ready. Right here, creators are already generating stunning cinematic music videos with this tool. At the top, you'll notice multiple AI agents, each built for speed, control, and precision. And here, a complete suite of apps, everything you need to generate a professional, high-quality music video in seconds. Now I'll click on Make Free Videos, then Add Music. Fast, simple, direct. Here you can see trending music tracks. Scroll down and you unlock more options, more choices, more power. Click on All, and now you can pull music from Spotify, SoundCloud, YouTube, Suno, everything in one place. For this video, I'll select the track We Don't Get Along. Right below, we control the duration, precision, timing, control. I'll set it to 20 seconds, then confirm. Next, I'll paste the prompt to guide the AI, clear, focused, high-energy cyberpunk visuals. This is where the vision becomes reality. Now for the character, either add your own or select from these ready-made options. As you can see, there are plenty of free characters. Ready, customizable, powerful. Now I'll select this character for the music video and click Confirm. Choice locked, vision set. Next, choose your aspect ratio. Platform matters, format matters. TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. I'll go with 16:9. Perfect for YouTube, clean and cinematic. Now resolution, 720 or 1080. I'm selecting 1080p, sharp, high-quality professional output. Next, style selection. I'll choose cyberpunk because we're building a high-energy cyberpunk video. Consistency is power. Captions option is here, but I'll leave it as default. Watermark option. You can toggle it, but full control may require the paid version. Now performance mode, fast or expert. I'm choosing expert. More time, but maximum quality. Precision over speed. All other settings, I'll keep them as they are. And now, the final step, click Generate. One click and the AI takes over. Now as you can see, the AI is working, step by step, fully automated. First, it locks the plan, structure, direction, control. Then it moves into creative concept, building the vision. Next, character cast, selecting and refining the subject. Then creative direction, shaping the entire cinematic flow. Every stage, precise, fast, unstoppable. And just like that, within seconds, it reaches the final phase, post-production. This is where everything comes together, polished, refined, complete. Our music video is ready. Let's play it. As you just saw, the video looks professional, clean, and visually stunning. The character stays consistent throughout, smooth, natural, almost unreal. It doesn't even feel like AI. It feels like real cinematic production. If you learned something new, don't just watch, take action. Hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Your support means everything. Keep creating, keep growing.